am so excited about this class, and I wasn't even sure I was going to do a Halloween class this year. I don't know. So, but I'm so glad I did. So let me show you. There's 4 projects, and then we'll be doing 4 videos, maybe 5, because the first project that I'll show you is a pinwheel card, and this is actually the front. So this will fit in a regular envelope when it's flat like this, and so that's what it'll look like. And then you can see it's in a pinwheel shape, and this will give you some ideas of the different facets that it has. Wasn't sure I wanted to do a pinwheel card for the class, but I'm hoping that it will be, we may need to do this in 2 videos. So, but if we do, it won't be a problem. So it'll be, I'll do them in our VIP Facebook group, and then I'll post them to YouTube for those who don't have a Facebook page, or they don't have a Facebook account. So this is the pinwheel. Everything will be cut and ready for you to assemble, except for the things that you die cut with the dies that come with the set, and they are awesome. I love this label. You can use this for anything. You don't have to use this just for your Halloween cards. It's a really nice label. And of course we have the spider web, a spooky tree, a hat, an owl, some nice tags, and another label. A circle die, which you can use for a moon or you can use for sentiment. So lots of fun stuff to play with there. Nice sentiments in the stamps, and these are the rubber stamps. Now I'll show you the other the other ones that we'll be doing. Let me find the front here. Let me show you the first one. This is my favorite here, and it's Girly Girl. So I have a couple. Well, I have some granddaughters now. I have actually 4 granddaughters, and inside is where you can put your candy. Now it says "It's so scary." We'll be making this little insert here. I decided to do that instead of color the candy, because, you know, with the wrap the candy, because it's easier to see, oh, what kind of candy is that? If it's wrapped, you don't know. So, but you could put any kind of candy in here. It doesn't have to be, you know, the nuggets, the Hershey nuggets. But I just thought that was so cute. Frightfully cute. You're so sweet. It's scary. And of course on the back you can put to and from. And then the next one is Darling. So I hope you don't mind that I did 4, but if you don't need 3, I did 3 treat bags, Tombstone treat boxes. So if you don't need them, you could always kind of fashion a card out of it. I've seen people that have taken this part off. I guess they gently removed it, and they put this on the front as a card. So you could, in a sense, make a card out of that if you didn't need that many treat boxes. Also, they stand up, so they make darling decorations too, if you just wanted to put them, you know, on your shelf at home. It's a fun Halloween decoration. These are not scary, gory, you know, things that are going to chase the kids away. And again, less tricking, more treating. I use that for the inside of this. Now these nuggets, I did not realize, but these are the toffee and almonds. And they're a great color for this time of the year, toffee and almonds, but kids probably wouldn't care for the toffee and almonds as much as adults. But that also has a to and from on the back. And then lastly, we have Happy Halloween to You. And then on the inside again is less tricky, more treating. You could put anything in the sentiment on the inside, and then that has the back. So like I said, you could set them up on your shelf for decoration. You could make a card from them by taking this part off the front and putting it on a card base. Or you could just have it like it is and have the three treat boxes and then a pinwheel card to send to someone. So I hope you're excited as I am about this class. And what I wanted to do is tell you what you're going to need. The only inks you'll need is the Memento Tuxedo Black, which is, it's pretty much the basic. The only thing you need the pumpkin pie for is the Batty for You and Less Tricking, More Treating, but you could just use your black for that. Or you could, if you have a different color orange, something similar, you could use that too. Now, I did use some clear embossing powder, and this is sold in a set of 3, black, clear, and white. And so this moon, I stamped the bat in black, and then I used a clear embossing powder and embossed a clear coating over it to make it stand out. You don't have to do that. I did the same with the spider, because just the ink alone, it kind of faded into the paper. But when I used the clear embossing powder over the front, stamped it and then stamped it again with the Memento Tuxedo Black. Oh, that's right, you'll need that too. Duh. Well, let me grab that. You're going to need VersaMark Watermark stamp pad if you want to do the embossing. So if you don't want to do the embossing, these are the only 2 things you need to buy extra. If you do want to do the embossing, then what you're going to need to get in addition to these 2 is the VersaMark Watermark stamp, the clear powder, which comes in a set of 3, and you're going to need a heat tool, which we sell a heat tool, but if you already have one, you could use the one you have, obviously. But I really like ours. And you're going to need something like an embossing buddy, or a powder, like I use the EK Success powder tool to keep my powder from sticking to the paper that I don't want it to stick. Sometimes static electricity will make it stick, so I use this. I also have an embossing buddy, a little packet of like cornstarch in it, but so if that's only if you want to do the embossing. Okay, so that's it. I'll send out a email with all the products that you're going to need and the details on that with the current host code that you'll be using for this, and I'll on my YouTube video I'll put it on the screen so that you can have everything you need to make these darling little projects with me. And I hope you're excited as I am. And I waited to show you guys. I usually show you as I create them, but I'm getting more into just wowing you in one video. And this is the promo video for the Frightfully Cute bundle. It'll be starting today. I'll post the new host code, but you can always use the old one if you can't find the new one until it's good. I'm probably going to close out the old one today or tomorrow, but I'll email everyone the new one. I'll post it in our Facebook group. I'll put it on my website, www.carolbcrafts.com, so nobody's in the dark about what's going on. And this is good till September 15th. so I can get you, I'm going to close it off at September 15th so I can get all of your goodies to you in time for our Halloween. Because Halloween is, the way time flies, it'll be here before you know it. Okay, well, thanks for joining me for my What's Up Wednesday, and now you know what's up. So thanks for joining me, and have a great day.